Hey guys, welcome back to Gaming Planet. So today I is going to be tell you how to play Minecraft. So Minecraft is a really basic game. So what you have to do is, first of all, if you have to move forward, you can do from W to move forward, S to move backward, D to move right, and A to move left. So it's really basic, and the space bar to jump. And if you want to build anything, you can just do right click, and if you want to break a block, you can just tap it. So now I am going to show you how to do sky blocking. If you don't know what is the meaning of sky blocking, is just do right click and be up in the air. So let me show you this. So yeah, I can go up, more up, but I'm not going to do because it is a lot of time. Yeah, maybe I'm going to do that. So guys, I am at the height limit, so you can't do more. So I'm going to jump. Before jumping, just see how beautiful is Minecraft. I know it's a lot of beautiful. Push. Now I'm going to show you how Minecraft looks on beneath. So I'm going to show you that. And here is the lava. Great job. So whenever lava comes, oh, what is this place? I've never seen this place. Okay, maybe I've got a mine shaft. Wow. This has whole lava. So if you want to go up, so you can do R is for reload. It would respawn you where you were there. So I made this staircase, which I don't like. Then I'm going to show you my house, which I like a lot, and it is my treasure. So this is my house. Might be a little bit small, but it's underground. Oh no, just kidding. So you have to go move up. Then here's my house. So if someone's come to my house, so he doesn't know what to do. So this is all of my gold I have. Gold, more gold. So I have collected all this gold. So yeah. Then you might be wondering, this is not a lot of gold. Yes, it is not. So I'm going to show you what is a lot of gold. Not even this. This. This is a lot of gold. So thanks for watching, and the last thing I'm going to show you is this, a pool of lava. So thanks for watching, and I would see you guys next time. This is nothing. Bye.